So we're going to do the same for the last network, which is having, okay, so it looks like I switched some networks around. Okay, that's fine, yeah. 129. So this is going to be dot 193, and this is going to be dot 194 as IP addresses. So I'll go on this machine and I'm going to put my 172.16.0.193 subnet mask 255.255.255.192. And this is going to be 172.16.0.194 and subnet mask 255.255.192. And so again, I want to make sure that they can communicate. So I'll first of all do my IP config, my daily life. And I can see that this machine has been assigned an IP address, which is fine. I want to ping 172.16.0.194. And that's also pinging. The same scenario, we want to see whether the two, this one and these ones can communicate, whichever one that you prefer. You can choose any other network, but this is what the one I'm choosing. So between this one and this one. And basically, it's clear that they cannot communicate because, like from our previous explanation, the only way you can communicate is if you are within the same space and within the same network. Well, when I say space, I mean within the same network. Otherwise, you need to go through a router or a router before you can communicate. And so these four networks are living in some kind of isolation, but that's one part of it. They are living in isolation not because of the fact that the switch is isolating them. It's just because of the addressing logic, creating subnets, the addresses, and we putting them in different addresses. But on the switches, you would want to also create that logical grouping as well, using what we call the VLANs.